Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see by today's title, we finna get today's tea all about this beautiful hairstyle that I did for my birthday photo shoot, you guys. So yes, so I pretty much ended up getting this wig off Amazon. It was about like $60 or something like that, girl. I was really cheap, balling on a budget. And also, y'all, please don't mind my lips because it's giving crusty. Okay, so I tried this lip thing and it was not giving what it was really supposed to give, so I ended up like taking it off and just putting it all red. I was trying to do like this like dark red ombre type of look and it was not giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, and I also wanted to say that everything in here is really not like really professional. This was just me winging it. I was really in a short amount of time. I couldn't get my hair done. I couldn't book a hairstylist and get my hair done, and y'all, I was, you know, going through it. So I also wanted to say when I cut this wig, it was really a mess. Okay, but you really couldn't tell like really in my photo shoot that my hair was a mess or anything like that. But I would not recommend using school scissors to cut your hair. And I also cut my hair the wrong way, I would say. You see how that's like I'm cutting it but it's like separating it? Yeah, so I started cutting it from the back, girl. But nothing more, nothing less, y'all. I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all watch this video and stay tuned.
I got nothing to show you, but you let me love you. We love you, baby. I got nothing to unwind on this love. We belong in you, make me feel something. I got my eyes on you, pull like a curtain. I'll be patient with you, no more fighting. You know that, control the soda, pays it right, go back.